capable of manipulating people's minds to make them obsessed with it. That's how it forces them to do things they don't really want to do. It can even curse people, trapping them in some sort of space-time paradox.
That sounds familiar.
Nobody's ever been capable of taming the ring, but I'm really close. Soon there will be nothing I cannot do.
You know, there's something I don't understand.
Enlighten me.
Are you just floating?
I'm levitating. I told you the ring is powerful.
Well, it's not really that great. You know, it's barely noticeable.
I'm levitating, not floating. It's not the same. And FYI, it is pretty noticeable.
Yeah, if you say so.
I do say so. Me, the levitating bum.
By the way, have you been floating since I got here? Because I just noticed.
Ah!
What? I'm just not an observant guy. Gee whiz.
As I told you once, one just can't escape the universe's nature. Where someone sees coincidence, I see consequence. Where someone sees chance, I see cost.
What the hell are you talking about?
Bring me the eyes of the Oracle, and I will give you back your savior. I believe it is a fair and reasonable trade. Yes? No?
Oh, enough of your stinking dribble. Weren't you supposed to be the friggin' Oracle? Ow, come on! Taking into account the current state of the industry, is it a good idea for new generation consoles to abandon the physical format?
Well...
Yes?
In my opinion...
In your opinion, what? Just don't answer if you don't want to.
But I did want to.
If the ring has its own will, how are you so sure it's not gonna fuck you over as well?
I'm not. I'm just along for the ride. And honestly, my life couldn't get much worse than this anyway.
That's true, but you know the ring. Maybe it's already got something more sinister in store for you.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe you should have settled for what you just had instead of letting it corrupt you. Those beams don't look so healthy, you know. And what if someday you want to get rid of it and it's too late to?
Why would it be too late?
Because you might be dead.
I get your point. And you know what?
What? Ow! If you already owned the ring before, why did you get rid of it in the first place?
It's complicated. You never know what will happen with this thing. Although, didn't you lose it as well and then want it back? Who are you to judge me?
Hadn't really thought about it like that.
Sure you hadn't. It's so easy to judge other people, huh? But people in glass houses...
Hey, I already said you're right. What else do you want? Ow!
That! What's that, kid? Are you here to show me your new toy?
Yes, and I'm going to fry you pretty soon.
I see. And what makes you think you'll be able to do that?
Remember my toy?
Mm-hmm.
It shoots water.
Ah! Ah! No! I'll be back!
Yeah, like hell you will. Come to Papa. Whew, finally I've got you, you evil ring. Now all I have to do is just... Not really sure what the next step is. I hope if I just put it back in Matt's wallet and just play dumb, everything will go back to normal. Besides, if I have to throw it into a volcano on the other side of the world, I might as well just dump it right here.
Randal!
Oh God, what happened?
Matt, Matt's dead. He stabbed himself in the head with some scissors, and then he swirled them around and...
Okay. I don't think I want to hear the rest.
Why would anyone do something like that? I feel so lonely. I don't know what I'm gonna do without him.
Oh, man, I'm so sorry.
Are you busy or anything?
Well,
I need a good friend right now, Randall. Please!
All right, fine. Where are you now?
I just got to Clayton's.
Okay, I'm pretty close, so I'll be there in a minute.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Well, if it isn't the famous Mr. Hicks.
You can suck up to me all you want. I'm not giving you a signed photo.
Just as despicable as I thought. You know, the laws of recycling state that trash must be separated. But I see you and Miss Thompson prefer to be together.
What the hell are you trying to say?
I'm not trying, scum. I am saying it. Your best friend's corpse is still warm, and the first thing you do is call up his girlfriend and go out for drinks? You're trash. He's been dead for barely 2 hours, and you use your own cell phones to meet here and celebrate? Next time, try to be a little more discreet, will ya? And mark my words, I'm gonna get you. One way or the other, I'm gonna put you behind bars. You understand? I can't stand you. I can't stand your face. I have to make you miserable. It's like a craving.
You know, I think you have a little too much time on your hands. Have you ever thought about a hobby?
You're my hobby, kid. You're my hobby.
Well, I can't imagine how you must be feeling right now.
Oh, just a little dizzy. I've only had like a couple of drinks or 3 or...
Hey, are you drunk? Mind if I join you?
Go on then.
And he refused to growl at me for like 3 weeks just because I called him Eddie Munster.
Randall, please stop it. If I hear another word about that Mortimer guy, I'm gonna have to hunt him down and kill him.
Yeah, good luck with that. He might look dumb, but he's one sneaky bastard, this guy. And that's why I need to get the bracelet back. Was it a bracelet? But wait a minute, didn't I get it back already?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Do I?
I think we've had too much.
Yeah, Matt would be really proud of us.
Matt?
Oh, crap. What happened here?
Don't be silly.
No. What is this all about?
Do you really not remember anything about last night? Come on, it was super romantic.
Oh God, wake up, Randal, wake up.
It is like a dream, isn't it? The moment you gave me that ring, I was like, are you out of your mind?
Oh, so I gave you that ring?
It was all pretty sudden, but I can't believe you don't remember.
What about Matt?
Well, our relationship had no future, and honestly, one part of me always wanted you to propose the way you did yesterday. It wasn't nice to do it in front of him, but it was probably for the best.
Look, I'm worried about Matt.
Matt? Why?
Do I really need to explain?
Love comes and goes. These things happen every day.
Sally, don't you know Matt at all? You know what he's capable of.
And what's he gonna do? Freeze himself? Matt's a talker, Randy's a doer.
Yikes. Maybe he won't freeze himself, but I'm sure he's up to something.
You worry too much, but the fact that you care about your friends so much makes me love you even more.
You know, that ring you're wearing, it's not a normal ring.
I know, it's wonderful, and it's all mine. It's so shiny, I don't think I'll ever get tired of looking at it.
Sally, you're acting really weird today. I think that ring has changed you.
Of course, silly, that's commitment. And also, I'm a little nervous about the wedding.
No, look, I'm serious. Please, take that ring off.
Very funny, Randy, but I'm never taking it off.
It's not a joke, Sally. Take it off, please. Take it off.
I said no. Enough already.
No, Sally, I think there's been some kind of misunderstanding.
Tell me about it. I specifically said that the dresses for my maids of honor have to be watermelon red and lime green, not strawberry red and mint green, but, you know, these things happen.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, you have to go try your suit on.
I don't know if I'll have enough time.
What do you mean you don't know? I've got hundreds of things to take care of. But are you going to help me with any of it? No, of course not. All I'm asking for is that you try your damn suit on. Is that asking too much?
All right, I'll try.
That's better, baby. It's gonna be a wonderful wedding.
Oh my God, I don't believe this.
Me neither. Crazy, right? Hey, we need to start planning the wedding.
The wedding?
Of course, the ceremony, the flowers, the menu, the music, the ornaments, the minister, the honeymoon. We need to get started right away.
What?
We've got lots to do and everything needs to be perfect. It's the most important day of my life. I don't want anything to go wrong.
Everything's already wrong.
What? Oh, Randy, stop teasing me.
Randy? Really? Randy?
Don't get all grumpy on me. I know you love it.
Yeah, I'll be right back, honey.
Alrighty, but don't you try to leave the country or I'll have to kill you.
Yeah. Okay, now this is what I call a major fuck-up. I gotta go find Matt and tell him that this is all just a big misunderstanding. Matt at his best. Oh, hey, Mrs. Marconi?
Oh, what's wrong, kid? You're looking at me like this was the first time we ever met.
Well...
You gotta man up, boy. You're gonna be my son-in-law.
Oh, really? Listen, about the rent,
Relax, son. Now that you're gonna be family, you don't have to worry about the rent anymore. You just focus on the wedding, okay?
There's something different about you, Mrs. Marconi.
Oh, thanks for noticing, dear. I got a new haircut. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
I wanna look stunning for your big day.
Mission accomplished. I'm a little stunned already.
The anticipation must be killing you, right?